No one's more surprised or more proud than I am. Today, my boy becomes a Viking. Today, he becomes one of us!
Be careful with that dragon.
It's not the dragon I'm worried about.
What are you gonna do?
Put an end to this. I have to try. Astrid, if something goes wrong, just make sure they don't find Toothless.
I will. Just promise me it won't go wrong.
It's time, Hiccup. Knock him dead.
I would have gone for the hammer.
I'm ready.
What is he doing?
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not one of them.
What's he thinking? Stop the fight.
No! I need you all to see this. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
I said stop the fight!